Good morning, everybody. Candy colored palms. Here's a little tattoo. I moved him into our puppy room this morning for a little while I'm cleaning. But as you can see, all he wants is me. Goosey, you want to come and say hi to him? Huh? He's like, nah, I'm too old for you now. When Goose was young, that's all he wanted to do was play with babies. Now he's a snob, huh? Is he a snob? I'm gonna let the two wild ones back in. In fact, I'll probably just do that right now while I have you on camera so you can see them. All right, ready? Come on, girls. There they are. Easy. We got little Charo there. That's Sparrow's baby. Happy. So I think we may let little, sorry, I want to see my ugly legs. We may let little baby boy here, Tattoo, stay in with these crazies for a little while today and see how it goes. As you can see, all he wants is me. So we'll go ahead and pick you up so everybody can see just how cute you are. Look at that little face. Hi, handsome. Hi. Isn't he gorgeous? Yes, we see all of you too. Yes, we do. That doesn't help my already horrible filming skills. So anyways, I just wanted to share these guys with you real quick this morning. And I hope you have a great day. Candy colored palms. If you have any questions, 909-228-2481. And we're in Southern California.